next we will demonstrate mounting your bike to a pack raft, orienting the drivetrain and the fork forward. This method is a little bit faster than other methods, and if you have a boat without custom tie downs, it seems to work the best. You won't have to remove your pedal or your pedals, and you can either remove the rear wheel or not. We've got the rear wheel already removed here. So utilizing the original tie downs, solid. Next to the wheels. And from here, you can basically tie the wheels together with more tow straps, and or you can use your dry bags and attach them underneath the bungee cord that holds your wheels. But most importantly, you want everything to be as tight as possible, no movement whatsoever. And then I usually like to take my backpack and put it in another larger dry bag and use it as a seat. Unless it's a rocky river that you expect to hit a lot of the bottom. The slight disadvantage to this system is that your handlebars tend to be in your way quite a bit when you paddle, right here. And if you're running a rear rack, which I am on this bike, the rear rack will tend to be in the way quite a bit as well. The seat's generally not an issue, but if you have a rear rack, it's gonna bother you a little bit. You might try orienting your bike the other direction with the drivetrain back. But that's the basic gist of how to put your bike on with the drivetrain forward and the fork also oriented forward.